daylight time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 15 miles west of Sanger, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicating rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lindsay around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gainesville around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Chandlersburg around 5:45 Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Valley View. This includes Interstate 35
track on and told you that in Gainesville it'll be there in about 30 minutes or so, about 5:45. Let's move down to the south. Let me show you what else is happening on the radar. There's Wise County. Here's Parker County. That's a severe thunderstorm.
flying debris. This is a thunderstorm warning.